How to add frequently asked questions page on Shopify. Adding a frequently asked questions page on Shopify helps answer common customer questions, reduces inquiries, and improves the shopping experience by providing valuable information. Now here is how we are going to do it. First things first, we're going to go ahead and click our online store and go ahead and click pages. Now here in the page, we're going to go ahead and add a new one. So we're going to click this one here. And I'm going to go ahead and name this one Frequently Asked Questions, or FAQ. Now, we're going to go ahead and put here Frequently Asked Questions. We're going to make it bold. And yeah, I think it'd be better if we are going to go ahead and capitalize it. Just like that. Now, there are questions that I have already prepared, so I'm going to go ahead and copy these. I'm going to put it here. Now, we're just going to go ahead and make some few changes in here. So say for example, number 1, we're going to make it bold. The same thing for number 2 and all the other questions here. All right, there you go. And now take note that you have here different tools that you can use. For example, you can generate text, formatting, and so many others in here that you can use. Say for example, if there are some parts that I want to highlight because I think they are important, I can definitely do that one. So for example, the email, I'm going to go ahead and highlight that, and I'm going to go ahead and underline them just like so. All right, and the same thing here. All right, so yep, that's how it looks. Now go ahead and try to make some changes, and then if you're knowledgeable about SEO site, go ahead and click this one here in order for you to personalize it. Now we're going to go back here. I'm going to go ahead and save it. Okay, now that we have already created this one, we're going to go ahead and add this. So I'm going to go ahead and click view page just like so, and I'm going to go ahead and copy this one. We're going to go back here. We're just going to go ahead and go to our themes because we are going to customize it. All right, now that we have opened this one, we're going to go ahead and scroll down because we're going to go ahead and add it in here. So this is our quick links, get this one. And yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and delete this one and change this to FAQ, or frequently asked questions. Going to highlight it and insert the link. So again, this is our frequently asked questions. I'm going to go ahead and copy this one. I'm going to put it here just like so, and then go ahead and click the insert button. All right. Now that we have added it, go ahead and save this one, and we're going to go back here to our store, scroll down here to the bottom, and you should see our frequently asked questions. Now I'm just going to go ahead and click this one, and now we are redirected here. So yep, that is how it works, everybody. Congratulations, now you know how to add a frequently asked questions page on Shopify. As always, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave this video a like if it helps you out.